In this video, we want to demonstrate for you the side plank. This is one of the three that is considered part of the McGill Big Three. This is a simple modification of a side plank. We like how we are stabilizing off of the knee, meaning you're going to have your hips in like a V shape from torso to knees, and all you do is just push your hips forward, keeping a straight line from relatively your head down to your pelvis. Now, in these, we're going to do a little different where we're holding for a longer rep, where it's an isolated hold for roughly 10 seconds for each rep. Again, we want to do somewhere in the vicinity of 8 to 10 of these per our first set, and we'll go over the reps and sets in person. But for the understanding of it, we want to hold as 10 seconds without falling. We're going to do this on both sides, left side and right side, as part of our low back rehab. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoy it and get to it.